Have you ever felt like time has slipped through your fingers, leaving you with wasted years and missed opportunities? It's a feeling we all know too well. But what if I told you that the universe holds a secret power that can restore what feels lost? Keep watching to uncover how the universe can breathe life back into our experiences. The universe has an incredible knack for restoring the time we think we've wasted. Imagine it as a silent force, working behind the scenes, always striving to bring balance and harmony to our lives. When hope seems lost, the universe reminds us that renewal is always possible. One way this restoration manifests is through subtle signs and signals in our everyday lives. These can appear as unexpected opportunities, chance encounters, or sudden moments of clarity. They are gentle nudges from the universe, reminding us that it is constantly orchestrating events to guide us back on track. Believing in this restorative power isn't just wishful thinking. It's a core principle in many spiritual and philosophical traditions. These teachings encourage us to trust in life's natural flow and to have faith that everything happens for a reason. Even in our darkest moments, a glimmer of hope assures us that things will eventually fall into place. As we embark on this journey of restoration, we often encounter moments of abundance and unexpected blessings. These experiences serve as tangible proof of the universe's generosity, reminding us that financial prosperity isn't the only form of abundance. Joy, acts of kindness, and serendipitous meetings are all gifts that show us beauty even amid challenges. When we feel inspired to share our abundance, whether through generosity or kindness, it signals a profound shift. We move from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance, where everyone has enough to thrive. In the depths of difficulty, hope becomes our guiding light, igniting our perseverance and empowering us to envision a brighter future. Real-life stories of those who've overcome tremendous obstacles illustrate this transformative power of hope. They remind us that hope isn't just a fleeting feeling. It's a potent force propelling us forward. Every setback can lead to growth, and every challenge offers the potential for renewal. Finding alignment with the universe's purpose is another key aspect of this journey. This means embracing the interconnectedness of all things and recognizing how our actions fit into a greater cosmic order. When we align ourselves with this purpose, we discover a profound sense of inner peace. This peace arises not from avoiding challenges, but from surrendering to the ebb and flow of life. As we deepen our spiritual journey, we unravel life's mysteries and discover our place in the cosmos. This awakening leads to insights that foster a greater understanding of our purpose, and we come to realize that we are not separate from the universe but integral parts of its vast tapestry. With this deeper spiritual connection, we find ourselves enveloped in a sense of inner serenity, one that isn't influenced by external circumstances, but comes from knowing we are supported by the universe. This inner peace guides us through life's ups and downs, reminding us that we are on the right path. Regret, however, can weigh heavily on our souls, hindering our ability to move forward. Yet, in the journey of restoration, there's hope for overcoming regret and finding healing. Acknowledging our mistakes and practicing self-compassion allows us to release the burdens of regret. By focusing on the present and the future, we reclaim our power to shape our destiny. As we navigate through challenges, clarity of thought begins to emerge. We gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our surroundings, enabling us to make decisions that align with our highest good. Setbacks that once felt overwhelming now become opportunities for growth. Healing is a transformative part of the restoration journey, encompassing emotional, physical, and spiritual healing. Emotional healing is crucial for restoring our well-being. By confronting past traumas and unresolved feelings, we create space for renewal and embrace life with newfound joy and vitality. Embracing new beginnings signals a fresh start, inviting us to trust that the universe can bring about positive change. It encourages us to let go of the past and step boldly into the unknown, ready to explore new passions and desires. Each new beginning is a chance to reinvent ourselves, and the universe supports us in this journey, offering gentle nudges to encourage change. This path of restoration is about rediscovery, promising renewed purpose and fulfillment despite past setbacks. Acknowledging that challenges are a natural part of the human experience is essential. It's not just about overcoming obstacles. It's about choosing growth, healing, and self-discovery. Restoration is not a destination, but a continuous journey, requiring courage and resilience. By embracing a mindset of abundance and gratitude, we recognize the opportunities that surround us. Shifting our perspective from scarcity to abundance opens us up to limitless possibilities. While the path to restoration has its challenges, it's also filled with moments of joy, connection, and transformation. If you're still with us, thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is greatly appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more insightful content.